Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check in Virgin Atlantic online. So you can check in online for Virgin Atlantic starting 24 hours before your scheduled departure. So firstly open any of the web browser and at the top there's this address bar, type down Virgin Atlantic and search for it. So from here click onto this book flights with Virgin Atlantic, or you can directly click onto this check-in from the Virgin Atlantic official website. So once you're inside the check-in here, what you can do is you can search by your booking reference here or flying club number if you have. So from here, you need to click onto this booking reference, type down your booking reference and select your departing airport. And after that, click onto this start check-in and follow the on-screen instruction, and you can choose or change your seat if available and add checked baggage and provide any required advanced passenger information. And after that, you can save or print your boarding pass. And that is it. That is how you can check in Conversion Atlantic online. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.